Let's learn how to schedule auto power on off option. This is very good feature to you. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and click on features option. In here you can see scheduled power on off option. Click on it. In here you can select your power on time and off time like this. Now our A35e mobile automatically going to power off and automatically turn on.